Even you know how to understand, you do understand.
The first day when we all edit together and we all shout together because we get the same thing.
I can say 95.9.
Educative.
Entertaining.
Empowering.
So amazing.
Fantastic.
Classic. Superb. Superb. Fantastic.
The first way inspire me actually, and that's me a person, I like for learn new thing. That's not the main way inspire me. And also, I dey do TikTok once in a while and I dey see different transition there and style the way people they use. So that inspire me say like make myself dive in, make I learn instead of I dey watch no man, I don't know what thing they do.
For add up to the creativity.
Career growth.
So that I will know how to edit video.
As a businesswoman, you get to know how to edit your videos. Then more especially like when you get your business where you don't come, you get for video and edit your videos. Then so
Because I got love for the video editing skills.
The organization for create video, conference video there every year for create video and I make a kind of video editing.
Watching videos on YouTube inspire me for joining masterclass and learn. Because I get the passion for learn video editing.
Well, I would say the funniest moment that the first day, like where you introduce story green skin, I was like, whoa, I've been thinking for saying a magic like, but we introduce and to we like it in kind of fun. Everybody being surprised. Most I show that video side people and sit on the side and sit on there with the outcome video. It be very, very funny now.
The day everybody play first video, now timeline, where we be like, it'd be like, wow, the class was just full of fun.
The first day when we all edit together and we all shout together because we get the same thing.
I would ever present the people we were done before that they won't go behind.
where I say presentation, so man and they won't go bien.
The last day, when at the end of the whole show, it's superb.
The funniest moment not today. For now, present my project and today it's so exciting really.
Of course, the last day of presentation, everybody they can present.
Well, I no go talk for everybody, but majority we done the part of SK design. This beginners class go once more. So yeah, I want go further in waiting. I don't start, sir.
Well, I would like to go more in depth into editing, more of the VFX, animates, After Effects and all.
I want to improve this particular one or improve one.
Graphics, design.
Graphics design and also photo editing, inshallah.
I want for further me training in video editing.
Graphics design.
Photo editing, videograph.
I go say, with the help of this beginners class, 90%.
Very confident.
7/10. If we are doing 10, then it's 7.
90%.
Right now, let me say 80%.
I can say 95.9.
If I rate from 1 to 100, right now I go say 85%.
I get 100% confidence when this new video. 90% of editing my own video.
Resolution.
Typography, how you really play with text and the video.
Trimming, cutting at the timeline.
Green screening.
The topic them I can say all, but especially when it comes to the green screen side, that side is so touchy.
The favorite topic now color grading.
Color grade, the green screen.
I would say by taking jottings and also with my colleagues where they with me, maybe I know being here find then the post here then I go ask you idea.
For share my files to my laptop since my machine be already come with BitLocker.
By asking questions and discussing with colleagues also.
If I make a go now, then I'm able to do it just for do because my machine give me sure.
I try, it not be easy, but alhamdulillah, I try all best for come.
I'll be patient, I ask a lot of questions there so that I will overcome. I learn a lot of things then from asking questions.
The cutting of the man walking or me walking and my text is behind me. The layout for layout. That was one of my challenges.
For me, I go say it don't change a lot. One first, it don't make like I dey see movies or videos them in a different way. Now I dey hunger for learn more. Where I sing you something from video, I want learn more. I want no idea. I want dive in.
They don't change in a positive way because I will just feel that was for edit video now something very difficult to get to take me so many years. but just a week or weeks, I don't able to sit down now for do something for myself.
I've been experiencing a very difficult thing for do. Not knowing that I just need for starts, like where I don't start to end with the kind tutor where I meet up. Trust me, my narrative just don't change about video editing and don't give me the inspiration for go know and learn more about video editing.
First, I will take as in that way very, very difficult. You know, I will look into open CapCut. But as I begin go, I find as very, very easy, very, very simple. So now, easy, really, easy.
Like the time the way I dey see videos, there's some transition there. I dey see how people edit video. I dey take and say that a very hard something. But for my kind of SK design, why I don't get the foundation, I say and say it's so simple. As long as you don't start, just continue, just be consistent. Now that's all.
Okay, with the help of the masterclass, it don't change the mindset where we get in video editing, because there's a lot of videos we dey play, where they see and foresee, the thing they make it they go crazy. But this video editing will expose the whole secrets behind the video there.
Now I can see the whole change is different. How I watch video today. Now in the video I watch, I don't know how they do them, and I want to know how they do them.
Don't change them so many ways, because at first I will think how ghosts they come, then how people do they work fast. So like doing this masterclass, I don't get so everything has been so transparent to me now due to the tutorial we get.
As of now, the only area we will use and for on the TikTok videos, I mean also for make and also say you they ready for do the next section. I go the no fan footages there, make I go the practice, make I not forget some of the steps then.
For make agreeable do more content, for push my skill I do go before.
Plan for using for my YouTube videos there.
I plan for they produce high quality content for me, my followers and my platform.
Actually, I dey look for take this as a career, though, because you don't find for put yourself one side. I dey try for put her as a career, so I dey wish for the estate design put her advanced class for we, so that we go know more, because it's not just the foundation, now in this sabbath.
Purposely, I come into video editing for that purpose. I will continue with that, inshallah.
I plan for use this skill on social media and the world.
I plan for use for edit my own personal and for learn other people and me get also.
Well, I go say make the person hurry and come, because just a beginner's class for 4 weeks will not be the expect what you will get. So the overgearing, that's why I go say overgearing, because don't learn a lot. So I dey tell anybody out there where want do a beginner's class or we want do video editing, for watch come na SK design and do in registration.
Well, I go advise you for make the car make no fear. May make sure that was the car to our mind, because everything challenges. But if the car with focus, I believe that was they will understand, just like how we self don't understand, what we will not be understand.
If you will sit down, grab, if you will snap, now for run for car register.
Okay, this is a pick one to you go on for be part of the next class. All you need to get patience, because video editing is all about patience. When you not get patience, you know where we do video editing.
Now for CAM, SK Design are the best, are the solution for all your video editing problem and even your graphics. So no worry, you worry don't just come na SK Design, you can take a class. Now for try and buy your form for the next class, make you no go late, say if I be no.
Well, the advice is very, very straightforward. They welcome, may they come. If they come, for learn from SK Design, they no go ever regret it.
Of course, guys, you're welcome, and with open heart, come to this masterclass, and not the best for beginner.
I think say I don't can learn, I don't see. So the only thing I get for tell them say video editing, you get for get passion, you get for be focused enough, and the teacher will get so much encouraging it, encourage you how for learn.
I not go say much on that. You dey see what SK Design they do. What's no need for tell you. And also you dey put your money, you get your money, you know what you want. So when you see professionalism, you know ask for no. So not a person they tell you, come and invest your money in a side where you go see benefits, and decide as of now where me go recommend na SK Design.
I will tell you out there for say make no fear, make the put the all, as long as when it comes to SK Design, ready for deliver well, the Nela.
Not wait for invest for SK Design Solution. Now you trusted, most trusted platform.
We dey pray for the Almighty Allah make it easy for them. Let them for support. The SK Design Solution. Allah help them financially. Let them support the brand financially so that a lot of people don't go for benefit from this particular programs. Them hope for see more programs from SK Design like graphic design.
Like you can invest. If finally you can invest. If finally they invest in a place where like they see results. SK Design where you invest there, you know that you get them because you see the improvements.
You are really to invest in the brand. Invest for sure, you not go regret them. And these are the best brand for video editing.
I will tell you no more because if you invest to SK Solution Center, I think say you will not regret them because me now one of the evidence them because I don't can learn from them. I don't can learn from SK Solution. I gain a lot because there are a lot of things that want to be know. So if you invest, I think say you know will regret. You will see the results where you invest to say you invest your money.
So the brand, I go say, keep doing what you are doing. And not everybody go, acknowledge or say you they do fine thing. But we they out there where they admire una and we like what una they do. I go say the money where we get, what way to get. Waiting that mean say the money we will pay for this video editing, which way to get is very far different. It don't teach you a lot. And I not believe say you go na any other video editing class you get waiting. SK Design don't give it for beginners. Yeah, it might be a beginner's class now, so it label but this is fast a beginner's class because we don't learn a lot. So the tutors, I want to say a very big thank you to the tutors. Now a very inspiring person. If you don't do this class, you know what they talk. You get patience and you know what they do and you like what they do. So now that's one quality of a tutor that when you like what they do, they're able to deliver. So yeah, I want to say a very big thank you.
The brand for make they go do more creativity where will attract others out there. And the tutor for make it go continue for do the good work where they do make it not relent.
So the brand I want to say keep excelling and keep doing what they do. And so the future I want to say you are doing so well and continue for do. Trust me, you know the noble people they see you out there and we they see what you do. So thank you to our tutor.
But this is not a message to the management, SK Design Solution. Now for say of us when I don't try. But we see again, money for continue with what you start. Make this not just be the stopping point for now. So the tutor it try a lot because he gets patient with the delivering message. Every you know how to understand, you do understand.
Message to the tutor we dey tell am plenty thank you because that's somebody who gets patient. And probably getting kind where they are just a month class, you get somebody with patience. You ain't not sabi nothing, you can't get something and know something. We dey tell am thank you and let Allah bless am for. We let God make it continue, God give am the strength. And to the brand, keep doing what you are doing. The brand is good and una just continue waiting una dey can no more. Because now a good thing that I una dey do.
We dey hope and pray with everything SK Design not start so, may not stop, let become continuous. From video editing to graphic design and to more. And to the tutor, I really appreciate you a lot. Wallahi, we able for pay you. The Almighty Allah able for pay you. And we dey pray and hope so that Allah will able for increase your lifespan so that we will able for benefit a lot from me. A big thank you for.
First of all, I want to tell thank you to the brand because for the chance we then give to we for make we go can learn video editing, and also I want to say kudos to we tutor. Let God make it continue for keep on doing what they do.
I can now edit my video. I'm not even for disturb nobody again for ask. Una help me no.
Edit video.
Edit my own videos on my YouTube channel.
Edit good videos.
Edit my video for my business. Another paper say again for edit video for me. Alhamdulillah for that.
Edit videos. Edit perfectly.
I can now edit my video, your video, and everyone's video.